So today we have a quick and short video because I found something on the internet. Unreal Engine 5 can give your normal maps a free boost. Well, it's already doing that by default, but let me show you if you maybe have an old 4.27 project merged or converted over to Unreal Engine 5, and I'm pretty sure you never saw the setting before. So I have a normal map here for my own scan. And if we go under Advanced on the right side and look for, not flip green channel, but for normalize after making MIPS, that's the setting you want to turn on. By default, it should be on. If not, turn it on. If we hover over it, it's already saying, based on the new normal map behavior in Unreal Engine 5, you get free sharpness. Well, not completely free because it still needs to be calculated, but it will improve the quality of your texture and it will improve the sharpness of the texture. If you turn it off, you basically have the default behavior for an Unreal Engine 4, so that's called legacy here. But yeah, turn it on, hit save, and it already is applied. If you look real close, I don't know if you can see it on the recording, but there is a slight change in sharpness. So yeah, turn it on, hit save. So yeah, that's the trick I wanted to show you. Make sure you have this setting enabled. This can give you some free sharpness, which always is a nice to have. And if you want to see how to create nice looking foliage, you really should check out this video here.